In this video, I will show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it with your family or friends. Log into your Amazon account and click on your profile at the top. Then select Shopping List. Then you want to choose Create a List. Give your list a name and click on Create. Next, click on the three dots here, select Manage List to make some changes to the list. Changing the privacy setting to public will let people see your wish list. In this example, I will opt out of letting Alexa manage the list. Now I will scroll down, and you want to add your email here. You can also add a description for your wish list as well. Then make sure to add your shipping address here. Make sure not to check Share my shipping address with sellers. You can check the second option, which allows buyers to add additional gifts to your wish list. As for Don't Spoil Surprises, that is up to you. I will leave it checked. Once you are done, click on Save Changes. Now go ahead and pick items you want. In this example, I will search for the Nintendo Switch. Click on the product, and you want to scroll down a little to find this Add to List option on the right side. Click it and choose your wish list. Now it is added to your wish list. Now click on the View Your List button, and it will show up on your wish list. Select the share icon, and you will be given two options: View Only and View and Edit. If you don't want people modifying your wish list, select View Only and click on Copy Link. Now, you can send this link to any of your friends or family via any social media platform, and they can buy the items on the wish list.